Hey everybody, this is Chris. Today I'm going to give you a channel update on what I've been working on, what's coming next, and my trip to the UK in a couple of weeks. Now the main project that's been taking up all my time has been the Game of Thrones wood sculpture I did for HBO to celebrate the final season. This is only the second commission I've ever accepted, but it's one I just could not refuse. I've already released the time-lapse video, and very shortly I'll be releasing the detailed tutorial, so check it out. This project was exciting, intense, and so painful because I did 140 hours of hand carving in just a very short period of time. Since then, I've refocused on getting back to the true joys of woodworking, collecting and refinishing tools, collecting wood for future projects, and just simple projects. So first, I've been wanting to make a higher poundage bow and crossbow. And so I finally found some amazing Osage orange. It needs to season for about a year, but it's worth the wait. There should be some great videos coming out of this, so stay tuned. Next, I'm working on making some bowls out of non-ideal material. In this case, you'll finally get to see me using that huge ash stump I struggled to get into my car. I made a big bowl out of it, and the spalting is beautiful. Next, I collected some roots from a downed walnut tree to make what I call the duck bowl. And finally, I collected some long dead rotten cherry wood. In all cases, this imperfect wood requires different techniques to be successful, and I'll be detailing them all. Next, I'm going to do a couple of epoxy projects. I made a slab coffee table which I thought was stabilized, and now it has a wonderful huge split in it. So I'm going to make a great video on how to deal with this using epoxy. And finally, I'm going to Maker Central in Birmingham, UK, May 11th and 12th. If you're in the area, I'd love to meet you and talk all things woodworking and hand tools. Well, that's my channel update. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for following me. More great things coming. Thank you.